Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Canva for property flyer templates step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Canva website at www.canva.com. On the home page, look for the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will see several sign up options including email, Google, or Facebook. Choose the method you prefer to use for registration. If you select email, enter your email address and create a password. If using Google or Facebook, click the respective button and follow the prompts to log in. After entering your information, click on the Get Started or Continue button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Canva. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to Canva's website. Fill in any additional information required, such as your name. Once you have completed the form, click Continue. Now, you will be on your Canva dashboard. To find property flyer templates, click on the search bar at the top of the page. Type in property flyer and press Enter. Browse through the available templates. Choose a template that suits your needs by clicking on it. This will open the template in the design editor. Here, you can customize text, images, and colors as needed. Once you are satisfied with your design, click on the Download button. Select your preferred file type and click Download again. Your property flyer is now ready for use. You have successfully registered with Canva and created your property flyer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.